Good evening, students. Our title of the paper is Pedagogy of English, second and part 4. Okay, so paper name is Pedagogy of English, second and part 4. That is fourth part of Pedagogy of English, second. Okay, and this paper is dealt by me and Renuka Madam. And the third unit and fourth unit will be discussed by me. Okay. So we shall, in this video, we shall let me give introduction for third unit, and the title of third unit is Challenges of Teaching English Language. Okay. So the title of the third unit is Challenges of Teaching English Language. What are the challenges, what are the problems, or what are the difficulties that we face when we teach English language, okay, to our Indian students. So that is the title of third unit, and there are various subtopics which we will discuss in detail. So now let me give introduction to this third unit. So the title is Challenges of Teaching English Language. Okay, and before that, we have to know why we should study English language. And obviously, it is linked language, it is a communicative language, and in most of the world, English is said to be the communicative language, and wherever we go, and if we know a minimum level of English language, somewhat we can communicate in any part of the world. Of course, let's say even if we go to France, we cannot survive with English language. Okay, in any of the European nation, if we go, we cannot survive. If we go to China, and none of the people know English language. Okay, yet let's say in UNO, United Nations Organization, the English is the common language. Okay, and in World Court, of course, in World Court there are six language. There are 6 languages, and in that 6 languages we can argue our case, and we can complain against any nation. That we can do. There are 6 languages, classical language: Chinese, English, and French, Arabic. Likewise, there are 6 languages. But everywhere we go, English matters a lot. Okay, and now in the Google Meet itself, we had a small introduction on English as second language. So why should we study English as second language as a compulsory language? Okay, and at that point only we are. I am going to revise again. See, English as second language. So what do you mean by English as second language? First of all, it is not our mother tongue. Okay, all of our mother tongue is most probably in your class. So most of your mother tongue is going to be Tamil, and definitely we must study Tamil language, because it is our mother tongue, and it is our identity, and naturally we have interest in our mother tongue, and we definitely must study the language. And so if this is the case, and countries like India, okay, in India we must study English as second language. Okay, so in education system we must study another language along with our mother tongue. We must study another language, and what is that language? It is always going to be English language. Okay. So how English became second language? So we have to study various languages in the education system. we have to study various subjects, and most important is knowledge. Everything we must study in the education, the basic education. Okay, let's say structure of heart, structure of kidney, Indian independence, First World War, Second World War. They are all basic knowledge in mathematics. Simple interest, compound interest, area, perimeter, and they are all basic knowledge, basic level of multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. They are basic knowledge, and which should be studied at the basic level of education. Okay, and at the same time we have to study language also. Okay, and definitely we must study mother tongue, and along with that, as far as India is concerned, we have to study English language, and that is called as English second language. Okay, and the most important reason is that it is practically impossible to avoid English language. Okay, so how? Because for more than 250 years, British ruled our country, and they introduced the Western system of education, and English medium of instruction also introduced, and all the law, all the document, all the history, and everything is made through English language. Okay, and immediately when India got independence, the nation, the largest nation, one of the largest nations in the world, should be ruled, and how it could be ruled, in which language, by which language India could be ruled. Already it was ruled by English language, and we have to continue by English language. Okay, and we are forced to learn the English language, and all the documents, all the law, and everything cannot be changed. And another most important reason is that India is a multilingual nation. Okay, and if everyone talks their own mother tongue, and India cannot be ruled, and all the Indians should accept one language as their linked language, and that is English language. Okay, so therefore we have to study English language at least to communicate, and everything should be documented. We have to work, at least we have to work in English language. Okay, so what do you mean by English second language? English is not mother tongue, and British rule enforced the language. India is a multilingual nation, so therefore it is impossible to avoid English language, and English is essential. Okay. So English, we must study English language, and so we have to teach English language. So as an English teacher, how can we teach English language to our Indian students? Okay, see, one interesting aspect is that for Indians, English is not mother tongue. English is not mother tongue. English is not mother tongue. English is not mother tongue, both for teachers and the students. Teachers and students. See, all of us would like to speak and think everything in our mother tongue. Okay. And everyone in the world, okay, when this is the case, we have to study another language, and we, especially as Indians, we have to study English language, and all the students' mother tongue is not going to be English language, and even for teachers, the teachers themselves, they themselves mother tongue is not going to be English language. Okay, but all of us like to communicate only in mother tongue. When this is the case, how can we teach English language? Okay, so the first foremost challenge is that it is not mother tongue even for teachers as well for the students. Okay, no one is going to be interested to study English language. Okay, so this is the most important challenge that English teacher faces. So how are we going to deal with this problem? Okay, so how shall we deal with this problem? See, motivation. See, it is going to be motivation. And as an English teacher, we have to motivate our students to teach, to learn English language. Okay, so motivation is the most important factor in learning the language. This point, motivation, is a most important point, not only learning language, for any subject. Motivation is going to be the most important factor to learn anything, not only language, to learn anything. Okay, so it is a difficult area, and this is a general point, but we must focus on, definitely we must focus. Yet in the study material which I have collected, given yes, 13 points. Okay, so the study material which I have collected is given 13 points, which we will discuss in detail. Okay, so far, okay, so that's all about this video. Let me revise or summarize again. So the third unit, challenges in teaching of English language. So what are the problem or difficulties when we teach English language? And English as second language. So what do you mean by English as second language? That is, in the education system, we have to learn another language, and but that is the English language. And so why do you call it as a second language? It is not mother tongue. Okay, students' mother tongue is completely different. Along with that, they have to study another language, that is the second language. The after first language, they have to study the second language, that is English language. So why we must study English alone as second language? It is because after more than 250 years, British ruled our country. It is practically impossible to avoid English language, and especially in multi-language country like India, we must select a particular language as a common language, as a linked language, and therefore we must study English language. So if this is the case, how can we teach English language? When we teach English language, there are lots of factors, there are lots of challenges, and the system itself is the most important challenge. That is, students as well as teachers, their mother tongue is not going to be English. The teacher whose mother tongue is English language, they alone can teach English language more effectively. Okay. But both teachers as well as students, they do not know. Their mother tongue is not English language. So when this is the factor, teachers should motivate the students. So this is the general introduction about the third unit, and we have 13 more points which I have collected. I will give you very soon. and we will discuss all the 13 points in the next in the following videos. Okay, thank you.